My average question. It's by me and Math Incubator. This is the question. So the question is, in a set of 5 numbers, the average of two of the numbers is 12, or mean is 12, and the average of the other three numbers, or mean of the other three numbers, is 7. And then the average of all 5 numbers is either A, 8 and a third, B, 8.5, C, 9, A, D, 8 3/4, E, and 9.5. So I'm explaining the question. So this question has gave us a number set with unknown numbers, and divided like the set by 2. We need to find the components of each set, and then count. And then when we find that, using the two averages it gave us, we calculate the average of the entire number set. So this is the solution. The step 1, we need to find two numbers, and then the two numbers, like the first set and then the second set. So, sorry. So technically we can use any number that is added together and then divided by 2, that makes 12. But we're just going to use 12 because it's simpler to use. But this is the formula. So n plus y divided by 2 equals 12. So you can technically use any number. You can use, like, as long as the two numbers added up and then divided by 2 is 12. But I'm just going to use 12 because it's easier to use, as I said. And then the second step is, like, we need to figure out the two numbers, and we're just going to use 12, as I said. And then the third step is the other three numbers out of the 5 numbers of the set. So this formula is n plus n divided by 3 equals 7. It's the same as step 2. We can use technically any numbers, but we're going to use 7 simply because it's easier and more friendlier to use. Now our final step is just and we're just going to use 7, as I said. And then our final step is we just use 7 plus 7 plus 7 plus 12 plus 12, then divided by 5 because there's 5 numbers, and it's 9. So in conclusion, the answer is C because the average is 9.